Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am so grateful you stopped by today for some laundry motivation. For 2023, it is my goal to bring you this kind of content every Thursday to get you motivated to at least do one load of laundry with me, fold it, and perhaps even put it away. I hope if I could be that friend for you that you hit that subscribe button so you can come back every Thursday and we can do this together. Today's video, it's going to be really quick, but I am going to link a playlist in case you need more laundry motivation. Now, these are my towels that I keep in the guest bathroom. Every time someone goes to that bathroom, they grab one towel, they clean their hands, and they put it in the dirty towel bin. Therefore, I do this task at least once per week. Once the bucket gets filled with the dirty towels, I like to soak them with a little bit of chlorine, and then I run them through this cycle. I also like to add a little bit of fabric softener so they can smell very good for whoever gets to use them. Today I am also trying a new way to fold them and I'm creating little pockets. I think it's kind of cute. Last month I did it a different way. I just like to change things up a little bit. Sometimes it's those small details that makes me happy. Yes, it adds another task on my list, but I really enjoy doing this, at least in that one bathroom. If you're wondering where I got these towels from, I got them from Dollar Tree about 3 months ago, and I believe it is a good investment because it saved me money in the sense that I don't constantly have to buy paper towels for the guest bathroom. Plus, it adds a little touch and lets the guests know that I do welcome them and love them, and I appreciate them for visiting my home. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope that you come back next week for some more laundry motivation. Bye!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.